Fire alarm. When you hear the fire alarm, it's important to stay calm. Take a deep breath and remember that this is just practice to keep us safe. Stand up quietly, push your chair in, and line up at the door. No running, shouting, or pushing. Just stay calm and follow your teacher. Follow your teacher in a single file. Remember, no running or talking. Just focus on staying safe and walking in a straight line. Don't worry about your bags, books, or anything else. Leave them behind. The most important thing is to get out safely. Follow the exit signs and move to the designated safe area outside. Stay with your classmates and your teacher at all times. Once outside, stay together and wait quietly for further instructions from your teacher. It's important to know that the drill is not over until your teacher says it's safe to go back inside. Great job! You've learned what to do during a fire drill. Remember, stay calm, follow your teacher, and always focus on safety. Practicing together helps us be prepared. Well done.